Char Siu chicken is an easy alternative to our popular roast pork char siu. If you don't eat pork and prefer chicken, this recipe is for you. It makes a delicious main course served with rice or noodles. In a bowl, add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, honey. Don't forget 5-spice powder, crushed white pepper, ginger garlic paste, and brown sugar. Restaurant-style char siu chicken or pork is often colored with red food coloring. I prefer not to add any red food coloring or chemicals into my homemade food. Make sure that your chicken is entirely covered with this beautiful marinade. I recommend boneless chicken thighs, but you can use any cut that you prefer. To get the most out of your marinade, cover the bowl and refrigerate for 2 hours. I prefer to do it overnight for a super yummy flavor. Layer the baking tray with aluminum foil or parchment paper. When you're ready to cook your chicken, take the bowl out of the refrigerator and place your chicken on the tray. You just need to bake it for 20 minutes at about 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. While the chicken is baking, transfer the sauce into a pan. Stir over medium-high heat and allow the sauce to boil and bubble until it starts to reduce and thicken. Once done baking, allow the chicken for rest for 10 minutes before slicing the chicken into bite-sized pieces. This gives it a chance for all the juices to go back into the meat. If you like recipes like this, give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time.